Tired of the same Trello tasks eating up your precious time? In this video, we'll show you how to use Butler, Trello's built-in automation tool, to take back control and supercharge your workflow in just a minute and a half. First, open the Trello board you want to automate. Look for the Butler button in the top right-hand corner of your board. Click it. This opens the Butler automation menu. You'll see options for creating rules, card buttons, board buttons, and scheduled commands. We'll focus on rules for this example. Click on the rules section. Here's where the magic happens. A rule is an if this, then that statement. Let's create a simple rule. Click Create Rule. First, choose a trigger. This is the event that starts the automation. Scroll through the options to find an option that triggers the event automatically when a card is moved. Let's select when a card is moved to list. Choose the list that will start the automation. Let's select the done list. Now, define the action. This is what Butler will do when the trigger happens. Choose the action, add a completed sticker. When a card is moved into this list, select the completed sticker and click the plus button. Review your rule. When a card is moved to done, add a completed sticker. Happy, click Save. Test it out. Move a card to the done list and watch Butler work its magic, automatically adding the sticker. You can create much more complex rules, card buttons, and scheduled commands to automate almost anything in Trello. Explore the options, experiment, and discover how Butler can transform your Trello workflow. Now go forth and automate. Thanks for watching.